Hi. Imagine using your mobile phone all day long without charging it even once. What will happen? Your mobile will slow down, it hangs, or maybe it shuts off. Right? But do you know most of us do the exact same thing with our mind? Hello, and welcome back in the series of Healing Talks with Sheetal. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something that we ignore every single day, and that is mental charging. We charge our phones, we charge our laptops, but tell me, when was the last time you charge yourself emotionally? Let's say it this way: constant notifications is equal to constant mental noise. Our phone gets notifications all day long, and honestly, so does our mind, with people, opinion, comparison, negative thoughts, overthinking. And what will happen? Slowly, your mental battery will start draining. And that is the reason sometimes we feel so tired even when we did nothing physically. Also, we ignore low battery warnings. See, whenever our phone reaches to 10% of battery, what we do? We immediately look for a charger. But when our mind gives us warning signs, for example, sadness, irritation, emotional exhaustion, lack of motivation, what we do at that time? Nothing. We usually avoid it or we ignore it. So, how do we recharge ourselves mentally? There are so many things, but right now I'm going to tell you a few through which you can recharge yourself mentally. Number one is silence for a few minutes. See, not every movement needs noise. Sometimes healing begins in silence. Number two is stop consuming everything. See, just because content exists does not mean your mind needs to consume it all. You do not need to respond to every single situation. You do not need to react over every single thing. Another one is talk kindly to yourself. See, whenever our phone is on low battery, we don't throw away our phone. Instead, what we do, we charged it. So, why we harsh on ourselves? Why we talk rude to ourselves during difficult phases? At that time, what we need to do is to talk kindly to ourselves. And lastly, rest without guilt. See, rest is not laziness. Sometimes it is emotional recovery. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी अगर आपके साथ बैड रूड कोई भी सिचुएशन हुई है, you need to just immediately go back to work and go back to do the things as they were. No, you should take rest sometimes because emotional recovery is most important for your mental health. And nonetheless, your mind is carrying you through every single day of your life. Maybe it does not need pressure right now. Maybe it just need care. So give it time, give it rest, and be kind to yourself. This is Healing Talks with Sheetal, where we heal softly, grow slowly, and become stronger together. If this episode connected with you, share it with someone whose mental battery feels low today. And don't forget to subscribe for more healing talks. Bye bye.